Hello, I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely magnificent 1956 Chevrolet 210 Custom. This is one of the nicest 210s I've seen in a long time. I'm a huge fan of the Tri-Fi Chevrolets, but I'm very picky when I'm on the internet looking for these cars, and this one definitely struck my fancy. It's an awesome car. The body is super straight. It's got a beautiful kind of sunset burst color orange paint. From House of Colors. It's got white pearl tied into it and some of the accents. It sits on Boyd Coddington wheels that are really nice. It's got a great stance. This interior is painted as nice as the exterior is. All this custom leather work on the door panels, on the seats, suede headliner, suede sun visors. It's got an Ididit tilt column, polished steering wheel. All the gauges have been upgraded. It's got vintage air conditioning. The engine compartment is painted the same color as the body. There's tons of chrome accessories, March pulleys. It's got a 350 crate motor with 330 horsepower. It's got a Griffin aluminum radiator. Just an outstanding car. The engine's coupled to a 700R automatic transmission. The undercarriage is highly detailed. The trunk compartment actually matches the interior. Some more features include a Heights front end for suspension. It's got a 4-link in the rear. The list goes on and on and on. You got to check this car out. For a complete description with tons of photos, visit it at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the car, let you listen to how beautiful it runs. Runs absolutely magnificent.